The second composite case runs a different blend through the same 5 sections. Eduardo's presentation looks clean at intake, an Encore client with a clear window and articulated aspirations. The formulation reveals why the engagement stalled at session 3 and why the stuck work had to come first. A composite case: Eduardo, senior partner at original law firm, late 50s, 28 years in commercial real estate transactional law. He opens with, "I should be planning what comes after this firm, but I have not been able to make myself think about it for 2 years. Two predecessors have exited, one to a corporate counsel role, one to mediation work. Both look fine. Neither is aspirational. Mandatory retirement is at 70. He has 6 years. That is the presentation. The blend read comes from what those details mean when laid side by side. Persona blend identification for Eduardo. The Encore window is genuine. He is in the right stage, has watched peers exit, has a bounded time horizon he is aware of. Evidence for M4 stuck. 2 years of active avoidance of a decision he names as necessary. 0 forward motion. No aspirational path among the available models. The diagnostic here is that the Encore design problem is downstream of the stuck pattern. The misread would be treating this as a pure Persona E case with a slight stuck subtheme. The formulation reads it as a genuine blend in which the stuck pattern must be addressed as a precondition to the Encore work beginning. The sequencing discipline is what differentiates Eduardo's formulation from Helen's. Helen's blend holds both threads in parallel from session 1. Eduardo's blend has a mandatory sequence: stuck first, Encore design second. The temptation with a late and stuck client who has a clear time horizon is to begin some Encore design early. It feels productive. It engages the client's aspirational imagination. It produces motion. The problem: the stuck pattern will reinstall at the Encore level. The client will generate a beautiful Encore vision and then not move toward it. Same pattern, higher stakes. The formulation must sequence. The stuck work is not preparation for the Encore work. It is the threshold the Encore work sits behind. 4 moves applied to Eduardo's blend. Read the persona. The diagnostic surfaces that the Encore design problem is downstream of a stuck pattern that has been active for at least 2 years. Naming the stuck pattern as the primary work reorders the engagement. Hold the stance. The M4 patient stance is foregrounded. Resist the M6 instinct to begin designing Encore shapes. Contract the agreement. The contract names the stuck first sequence explicitly. 16 sessions across 9 months. Encore design begins only when the stuck pattern has been addressed. That sequencing is in the written agreement. Land the experiment. Early experiments are M4 false motion breaking experiments, not informational conversations with other late career partners. Those feed the research instead of experiment pattern that maintains the stuck work. Instead, 30 days of zero Encore research with journaling on what surfaces, followed by a conversation with the managing partner about what an earlier exit could look like, even without any intention of taking it. First 3 sessions for Eduardo. Session 1 names the blend explicitly and surfaces the sequencing. The engagement will not begin with Encore design, and the reason is named. This is not withholding. It is contracting the sequencing explicitly, so the client knows what the first third of the engagement will hold. Session 2 uses the saboteur naming exercise from M4. The maintaining force in the stuck pattern gets named through a structured exercise, and the naming becomes data for the work that follows. Session 3 designs the 30-day no Encore research experiment. The journaling format is established. The experiment runs before session 4, and the debrief at session 4 is the first data point on what is maintaining the stock pattern. The pivot point for Eduardo arrives between session 5 and session 8, when the saboteur naming has done its work and the Encore design space begins to open. The coaching move at that point: do not rush into M6 design. The Encore shape should emerge over the middle third of the engagement, not be installed the week the stock pattern first loosens. Rushing the Encore work at the pivot point would reinstall the stock pattern at a higher level, a new domain for the same maintenance behavior. The coach who has just worked through the stock pattern and sees the client's energy lift toward the Encore space has to hold the M4 patient stance one more time, even as the M6 framing becomes available. Two different blends, same 5-section template, very different session architectures. Helen's formulation holds both threads in parallel from session 1, allocating session time to both the grief and the pivot investigation simultaneously. Eduardo's formulation sequences one thread before the other can begin, with the stock work as a precondition for the Encore design. The formulation template holds both. What goes into the 4-move section, the first 3 sessions design, and the engagement agreement is specific to the blend, not generic to career coaching. The template is a container, not a script. Reading the blend determines what goes in it.